Hello there, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to add this scrolling text effect on the website, on the Wix website. So it is very simple, and what you have to do, you simply need to go to this website. I put the link of this website in this video description. You can go to this website and you can edit the width of this scrolling text container. If you want to put here 300 pixel width, you can do it. If you want to change the height of the container, you can also do this. Then you have to copy this all code and go to your Wix website. As you can see, this is my Wix website. Simply I will add here a section, blank section. Then I will add here an element which is called strip. This is the strip. Inside the strip I will add here embed, HTML embed code. Drag it and drop it in the strip. Then we have to paste here this code. Paste that code and simply update it. So resize. As you can see, this is working very nicely. If I want to preview this, there we go, we have added the scrolling text. It is looking very nice. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is, then please subscribe to my channel. Take care.